Okay, I will demo how to withdraw Pine going to exchanger, no, to FMC exchanger. So this is our dashboard. Then click manage, then scroll down, then put the wallet address to withdraw Pine. Wallet address coming from exchanger, so FMC exchanger. So you need to sign up FMC. So get the deposit wallet Pine, copy this, then paste the wallet address, then put the amount. Okay, 2,820. So you need to pay the withdrawal fee amount of 20 Pine. Okay, so less 20, 2,800. Then okay, click withdraw. So double check the wallet address. If it's okay, click withdraw. Now the withdrawal is pending, so you need to verify the OTP. So if you use mobile phone, you need to okay, to verify. So there's two email OTP that required to verify. First is the email OTP. So you get email OTP from your Gmail. So let's say 345870. Then Google Authenticator. Then go to Authenticator. So this is the Authenticator, and you'll get the OTP number. So let's say this is the number. Then paste the OTP here and click verify. Okay, so that's the process.